What if your floors could stay perfectly clean without you doing anything? That's exactly what the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is designed for. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a fully automated cleaning system. Let's start with power. With an incredible 25,000 pascal suction, it easily picks up dust, debris, and even stubborn dirt from both hard floors and carpets. Pet hair? No problem. Fine dust?
Gone.
But what really makes it stand out is precision. The extendable side brush and mop reach into corners and edges that most robot vacuums simply miss. So you're not just getting a surface clean, you're getting a deep, complete clean. And then there's the convenience. The all-in-one dock doesn't just charge the robot. It empties the dust bin, washes the mop, dries it, and gets everything ready for the next run. That means weeks of cleaning with almost zero maintenance. Control is also effortless. You can use the app or voice commands to schedule cleaning, adjust settings, or start a session instantly. Whether you're at home or away, your floors stay clean. And thanks to smart navigation, it moves efficiently around furniture without wasting time. The result? Clean floors, zero effort, and more time for yourself. If you want a powerful, intelligent, and truly hands-free cleaning experience, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is a serious upgrade. Check the link in the description to learn more.